Hey there, friends. Welcome to Craft with Me. This is day number 27, and we are on the final countdown of all of the crafting that we've done for the month of February 2024. I look forward to getting to continue these last 2 days with you, but let's jump into February 27th. All right, you guys, we are going to do a little crafting in our Easter card kit. We're going to be using the stencil from one of the stencils from the basic stencil set. We're going to have our card envelope, our card base. We're going to use 2 pieces of paper today from the card kit, but not all of them. I went ahead and traced this circle. We're going to do that. We're going to use our sticker sheet, 1 die cut, the sentiment, a bow, and some rhinestones. I also grabbed an extra piece of white paper. This piece of paper is 2.5 inches wide by 4.25 inches long, and we're going to go ahead and do some fun things with that. All right, let's grab our card base. We are doing a vertical layout today, and we're just going to start by quickly attaching this basic piece right here. So we're just going to add the adhesive on the back, and we're going to go ahead and attach this. Again, our card bases, our card papers fit so that there's a little bit of a border all the way around, which is amazing for this particular card pattern that we are going to be doing today. The next thing I'm going to do is I went ahead and grabbed the stencil and I traced the biggest circle on there, and we're going to go ahead and cut that out. Now, don't throw away this piece of paper. There's still lots of things that you can do with it on excuse me, on other cards that you might want to be making. So I never throw away the scraps until I'm completely done with the project. Then if they are too small, they get to go to the round file, and the other ones go into a folder that I have available. All right. So we have our circle and we have this strip. What we're going to do with this strip is I'm going to cut myself a banner. To do that, I'm going to do a little pinch so that I can get a straight line. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut straight up through the center, and then you're going to go point to center, and point to center. If I can stop shaking long enough to get to the point. All right, there we go. So there's our little banner. Those ones are really easy to make, especially if you give yourself that little line. And then I'm going to actually tip it over because I cut that, did a little bit of pressure right there. I want it to lay flat. So I'm going to go ahead and attach this piece. And then a little tip, if you want to get smaller pieces touched by the glue, you have to hold it up and then you can place it on your roller so that it goes right through the tip of the paper. See how that glues right on the tip there? And then we're going to attach this not above the border, but right at that place where the border hits. I'm going to try to get it as centered as possible. Okay. Then we are going to actually attach glue on our circle piece, but this time we're going to flip it over. So we have that nice contrast between our pieces. I'm going to grab my 3-dimensional stickies. These ones from Stampin' Up. Again, you can get them from the dollar store, from any craft store. I just happen to have these ones from Stampin' Up. We're going to just pop our little birdie up off of the paper a little bit, right in the center of that circle so that he's kind of front and center, or she, however you want to put it. Then we're going to grab our sentiment. I want to use this one that says "To my friend." And we're going to just place that right in the middle. I don't want it to be that long, so I'm actually going to trim it fairly short. And we're going to pop this piece off a little bit as well. So let me do that. And we're going to put it right here below this. I think I want it to be tucked. There we go. So those little Phoebes. There we go. And then we're going to grab our bow. Again, I use the glue dots for the bows just because I think they stick a little better. Peel it off there, and then we're going to tuck our little glue dot back so that it's just where the ribbon is. We're going to attach it right there. And then grab some rhinestones. We're going to do 2 rhinestones down here and 1 up here in the corner. And there we have it, friends. There is our cute little card. Let's go ahead and add our stickers and fun. So I grabbed some purple washi tape that I had. This is kind of a fun watercolor. I thought it looked kind of Eastery, so we're going to use this one today. Again, just using my stencil because I have it out. And while I have my washi tape out, let's go ahead and attach the back of our card like so on our envelope. And then I have my fun Easter stickers. So let's do this one on the inside since it matches. And we're going to do this little cute birdie. And we're going to put him on this side this time because he's looking towards the center of the card. So that's just kind of cute. Actually, let's do 2 because why not? There we go. And these are the stickers from out of the deco kit. Notice they have the 2 journal cards there. So if you have those ones, you can utilize that. Otherwise, there is the regular sticker sheet or the journal sticker sheet that you can use as well. All right, you guys, that is our fun little card. Thank you for hanging out with me for day number 27. If you found this information helpful, please feel free to share it out, and I'll see you all here next time for day number 28.